Yep, we're to the west, the Cal.
6.2 miles to the west of the airfield.
All right, so let's go directly to the airport. We'll stay at 2,000.
Okay.
So just fly me straight there.
Should I go, like, never mind.
One second.
DeKalb, traffic Cessna 572 Juliet Alpha is 6 miles to the northeast, inbound left traffic, runway 20, DeKalb.
All right, so this is your course, 088. So you're flying about a 150 heading, so you're heading towards your course right now. Does that make sense? So just level off, level your wings. So just gonna keep heading to your course. You're gonna wait for your course to come in.
Oh, I see. And then I'm going to turn left.
Correct, yep. So right now, the course is to the right. You're flying about a 180 heading, so you're going towards that needle, right? That's your course. So as you get closer, the needle's gonna come into center, and you're gonna fly approximately a 090 heading to stay on that course. So just stay at 2,000 feet and keep an eye on that needle. And when you see that needle start moving, start your turn to about a 090 heading. Match.
Turning for left base for 20.
Alright, see how the needle's moving just a little bit? So start a nice slow turn over to 090. Alright, you can look at your map to help you.
Yep.
So you're going the right direction, but still maybe not enough correction into the wind. So try maybe about a 140 heading. You see your needle kind of stopped. So we need to creep back over towards it. All right, let's say we're still in the clouds. It's starting to get a little bit ragged, but we're starting to pick up ice. What can we do to prevent ice from screwing up our instruments?
Hello, Dodge County.
Carpeat.
Yep, so you can turn the carpeat on.
Want me to?
Yep, do it. We can turn our pitot heat on.
Your mic is on final for 20.
Yep.
And we can turn the defrost on. So the defrost is over here. That's going to heat up your windshield so your windshield doesn't ice up and you can't see. Those are our 3 anti-ice protections. All right, I'm going to turn the carpeat off for now because we don't need it and it's unfiltered air.
Fucks up the...
Yeah, it's just unfiltered air, so it's not the best for the engine. I'm going to turn it off. But the pitot heat's on, so that little mast out there is warming up. That's going to protect these instruments from giving you bad data.
Right.
There you go. So just stay at 2,000 and just follow your track. So how far away are we from DeKalb?
4 miles.
Okay.
To the south. The east.
Try again.
Huh?
To the west.
Oh.
It's to the
Oh, look at that bullshit. They should always have north on top.
That is a feature. You can change the map to say that.
Well, that's what I would prefer.
Okay.
Lansing traffic, Sub Pop Whiskey, left base 18, Lansing.
You want north up?
Yes. Please.
All right. There we go. So now north is at the top of the screen.
Okay, great. So now we are west of the airfield.
Correct. About 3 miles.
I mean, you can't be, like, doing, like, fucking that kind of shit and switching it around for somebody who is directionally challenged. That
For somebody who's directionally challenged, you're doing all right. All right, so your course came in. You passed your course a little bit.
Yeah, so then I need to come back over here. So.
Alpha,
Yep.
4 miles.
This is called bracketing. All right, we did a crosswind correction in there to get our course. We got it back, and now it's too much.
Yeah.
So try about maybe a 120, 110 heading.
Diego to Xavier there, Mike. Yeah,
And you gotta have a strong shoulder to always have your arm up like this.
See you, buddy.
Yeah, work that like top shoulder muscle, whatever it is.
Whatever that one is.
572 Juliet Alpha is turning left base runway 20. DeKalb has traffic on final side.
All right, well, we're pretty close, and I should be calling my stuff.
Yep.
But we're at 2,000, still hot, almost pattered out. Talk to me.
All right, so right now we're breaking out of the clouds. Boom. All right, we're out. Where's
Yes.
DeKalb Airport? You can lift your hood.
All right, here
There it
we
is.
are.
All right, so now we're here. We got out. I'll do this. I got it. My controls.
Drive with my knees.
I've done it before. It's a good skill to have. Do it. There we go. All right, so your controls.
My controls.
So now, okay, great, we're out. Now
We're
I got to
out.
play with the rest of the kids in the group.
Okay, here
So-
we are. So,
Get us set up.
yep,
Talk.
I see us.
I see traffic on our little scope.
I see traffic on our
So
scope.
let's break out that way.
Okay.
Let's kind of get away from the traffic pattern. And I do nice and steep.
Nice and steep.
Yeah, because the wind's kind of messed with us. There you go. Because you don't want to be in the traffic pattern
Right.
when you're not ready for it.
I'm not ready for it.
Final runway 20.
So now we can kind of loiter out here, kind of fly over like towards NIU,
Okay.
kind of get set up, run your checklist, and then we'll come on in.
All right. Well, I don't want to get any higher, right? I mean, this is about okay, right?
Yeah, it's about okay. It really can't go too much higher because of the clouds.
Right.
I'm going to turn your pitot heat off.
Thank you.
Yep.
Carpeto's off.
It's off.
All right.
I'll clear your defrost as well. All right. Would you like your checklist?
Check the back seat.
Jack of all trades.
I am gonna fail my check. Be like, hey, can you
Well, I
grab
mean,
my
to be fair,
checklist
you
on the
always
back?
put it up here and I move it out of your way, so that's partially on me.
All right, so I'm doing my descent checklist.
Okay.
Mixture is rich. Carb heat is required.
Okay.
Fuel. Do you want me to change my fuel? We're on the right tank now.
No, we'll leave it for
You're
a little
okay?
bit later. Yeah.
572 Juliet Alpha,
All right.
taxiing back. Hold short,
Um,
runway 20, DeKalb.
My altimeter west.
Yep.
I can probably put it a little bit further this way.
So now about the compass.
Area from north to south.
Here, what you're doing is right.
Yeah.
What I'm pointing out is this is only correct at level, straight, unaccelerated flight. All right?
Oh.
So the compass has a few errors, and I want you to watch them real quick. My controls for a second.
Your controls.
All right. So we're on this like east-west heading.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of the compass errors? I think the written test talks about it like a little bit.
No, not really.
Okay. It's in there somewhere. The acronym. There's an acronym for the compass errors called ANDS. ANDS. All right. So it's accelerate north, decelerate south. So what that means is as we accelerate, as we go faster, the compass has a tendency to swing north.
Okay.
And as we slow down, it has a tendency to swing south.
Okay.
Just the way the magnets are set up, it'll do that. Don't worry about the science behind it, but just know that that's an error. So watch, as I slow down, so just keep an eye on the compass. I'm going to slow down really fast, and I want you to watch where it goes. See how it's going to 240?
Yeah.
And then it kind of corrects itself
Uh,
as I accelerate. Look at that. See, but we haven't changed heading.
but we haven't changed heading.
So as I slow down, it's going to go swing back the other way.
I see.
This is why, because if you started to come down, you're like, oh, 240. Now 250. Now 260. This is the compass error. So accelerate north, decelerate south. And they're the most noticeable on